In the sights, I'm gonna line my live scope up with him, get my jig right with him. Okay, I'm down on top of him right there. Got him. Oh, he is a monster. Watch this. These are huge fish. This one here is humongous, but they're hitting it so hard they're getting it through the top of the mouth. Just 15 to 17 inch crappie every time. Underlined up, he's right there. I got it on spot lock. I'm right over top of him. I'm fixing to drop right down on him because I can hold my long pole. I turn the live scope back to him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Look at these monsters. Look at these monsters. They're unbelievable. You can't even, these poles are just bent double trying to get them in. Look at these fish. They are just humongous. And they're all over in here. I just lost a 3-pound fish. He was sitting right there on that limb. And there's another one right there beside him. I'm gonna try to drop down on top of him and see if I can get him to bite. And I mean, it was a monster. I can't believe I lost him. It's making me ill. To get lined up with him right. Okay, here we go. See if I can't put this thing right on his nose. Okay, right there he is. I'm gonna go back this way just a little bit. I'm still not lining up with him for some reason. He's got to be right there. There he is. Okay, now I'm right over top of him. Okay. 3-pound fish. He's moving. Oh, got him. Watch this monster. Oh my gosh. 3-pound fish. Monsters.